Good morning, children.
Good morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning,
Yeah,
ma'am.
please turn on the videos. Please turn on the videos. How are you all?
Fine.
Are
Fine,
you
ma'am.
working properly? Working properly?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ashrita, tensed? Ashrita, how are you? Okay, be careful, everyone. Okay, so now already we have got the syllabus copy. From coordinate geometry, we have completed the lesson coordinate geometry. In that last exercise will be not there for you people. Okay, last exercise will be not there. Soon we will forward that to you. You should have that copy. Okay, so in that last exercise will be not there. They have deleted that. Even from AP, last exercise, few questions they have deleted. Few questions from last exercise. Okay, accordingly, I'll tell you which are the part they have deleted. So now, where we were, exercise 5.3, sorry, exercise 5.2. 5.2, 17th one, we need to find. We need to solve. 17th one. Find the 28th term from the last term of the AP. Find, take down the question. Find the 28th term from the last term of the AP. Okay, 17th one. The AP is 3, 8, 13, 253 is the nth term. Find the 20th term from the last term of the AP. So not from the first. Okay, first listen to me. First listen to me, later you can copy, children. So first, please turn on the videos. AP is 3, 8, 13, and then last term is 253. We need to find the 20th term from the last. Okay, 20th term from the last term of the AP. Okay, 253. 253. So we'll reverse it. 253. So what is the previous number? 13, 8, 3. What is D now? What is D now? Can you find out D? Can you find out D?
5.
A is 253. A is, because from here we need to find the 20th term. Okay? From here we need to find the 20th term. What is A now? 253. And then what is D? Here we have two terms. Find out D. What is D? D equals 8 minus 13. D equals minus
Minus
5.
5.
Minus 5. Once we get A and D, we can find any term. We need to find which term now? Which term?
20th term.
A20. Yeah, how to find?
20.
Yeah, A20 equals, how to write? Tell me. A plus?
A plus 19D.
Very good. A plus 19D.
19D.
A plus 19D. A20 is equal to, what is A? 253
253
plus
plus
19
19
into
into
minus
minus
5.
5.
Okay. 253 minus 19 fives are 19 fives are.
95.
95.
Okay.
95.
Okay. So now what is A20? A20 is 158. Understood? Check. What is the answer? Subtract.
150.
Is it right?
Ma'am.
Yeah, 158. Very easy. So here the main thing you have to remember is from last term. From last term andre 253 will be the first and D will be this. Okay? From last term. Okay. So now, therefore, take down 20th term. From last is 158. Understood, children? Any doubt? Any doubt? Okay, shall we move to next one? Shall we move to next one? Drishya, turn on the video. Turn on the video. Turn on the video, please. So now, yeah, I want to see your faces. Next, 18th one, 18. What is the question? The sum of. You should take 1 minute to read the question properly. Read it properly. Read it. The sum of, suddenly, plus should come in your mind. Sum of 4th and 8th term of an AP is 24. What is the meaning? When we add 4th term and the 8th term, the sum will be 24, and the sum of 6th term and the 10th term is 44. Find the 3 terms of AP. Here we don't have A or D. From these two statements, we will find A and D. Got, children? So now first statement is, what is the first one? Sum of A4 plus
A4
A8
A8
equals
is equals
24.
24. Very good.
24.
So how to write A4?
4.
How to write A4?
A plus
Very good. A plus
3D.
Very good. A plus
3D.
3D. Very good. Plus 8th term. How to write 8th
A
term?
plus
A
70.
plus 70.
A
A
plus
plus 70.
70. Very good.
70.
Very good. Equals 24. Now
24.
simplify. Yeah, now simplify. 2A plus 2A plus
10D.
10D
10D.
equals 24. Okay. Clear, children? Is it clear?
Yes, Master.
Yeah, this one will keep us 1. So next one. Shall we go to next statement? Next statement. Similarly, okay, the sum of, yeah. Similarly, A6 plus A10
A10
equals 44. Okay. Yeah, you can do it. A6 is A plus
A plus 5D.
5D. Yeah.
5D.
Next. Huh.
A plus 90.
A
Very
plus
good.
90.
Very good. Equals 44.
44.
Yeah. Next. 2A plus
14D.
14D
14D.
14D.
equal to 44. So this will be
2.
with 2. So now our intention, so nam kayali A and D, if we have A and D with us, we can write AP. We can write AP. But here directly they have not given either A or D. They have not given. From this we will find out at least one A or D. Then easily we'll get another value. So now what to do with these two, 1 and 2? Shall we subtract? Shall we subtract? Yeah. Subtract. Subtract. 2 minus 1. Now 2A plus 10D equals, okay, we'll take 2 first. 2a plus 14d equals 44 minus 2a
44.
plus 10d equals 24. Now here minus,
24.
minus, minus, minus. These two will get cancelled here.
Minus.
4d equals, it will be 20. 20. D equals, D equals what? 20 upon 4?
5.
Yeah, it is 5. D equals 5. Once we get D, can we find out A? How to find out? You can take either 1 or 2. Either 1 or 2 you can take. Okay, children. So now, shall we find A? Now find A. Using 1. Okay. 2A plus 10D equals 24. What's the value of D? 5. Okay. So now simplify fast. 2A equals 24. 24 minus 50. Yeah. 2A equals minus
A
26.
equals 13.
A equals
Minus
minus 13. You can't leave
13.
minus. A
Minus.
equals minus 13.
Minus 30.
Got, children? Very easy.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, what's our question? We need to write, find the first 3 terms of AP. Find the first 3 terms of AP. Why today many of you have not turned on your videos? I think you people are not in uniform, so. Everybody are looking good. Why? Then why? Huh? See your hairstyles. Okay, now once we get A and D, A equals minus 13, D equals 5. How to write 3 terms? AP is how to write? A, next is A plus D,
D
A plus 2D.
plus 2D.
Yeah, A is minus 13, then
minus 13 plus 5.
Next,
Minus 8.
minus 13 plus 5, this is A2. A2 is
Minus 8.
minus 8. Good.
Minus 8.
Yeah, very good. Then A3 is A plus 2D. That is minus 13 plus 2.
Minus 3.
Minus 3.
5.
2D.
Minus 13 plus 10, it is A3 is
Minus 3.
3. So the first 3 terms of APR. First 3 terms of APR.
Minus 13.
First,
Minus
yeah,
13.
good. 3 terms of APR minus 13, minus 8, minus 3. Is it clear? You want to copy? You want me to scroll this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, take down. Finished? Written? Shall we move to next? Shall we move to next? Okay. Okay. Ready, children, for 19?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. 19th, we'll go for 19th. Very easy. Just let me explain. I think you people can solve that. Subba Rao started work in 1995 at an annual salary of 5,000. What was his first salary? 5,000. And received an increment of rupees 200 each year. In which year did his income reach 7,000? What are the terms they have given now? From this, what you can understand? His starting salary means, what is that 5,000?
A.
Very good. A is 5,000. Then
5,000.
what are the other things they
B
have
is
given?
200.
Very good, very
D
good.
is 200.
Very good, children. Next, what
7,000.
is that 7,000?
AN.
Very good. What do you need to find out?
AN.
Very good. What do you need to find out?
N.
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 Excellent, children. Okay. So now 19. Yeah, now A is rupees 5,000. D is, because why D? Every year the increment will be same. Common difference it
200.
is rupees 200. And then AN is, that is the final
7,000.
rupees 7,000. And in which year? In which year? N equals,
N.
so how many years it takes? From 1995 to in, okay? So now, again, which formula you use? Very
AN,
good.
AN is equals to A
N is
plus
equals
One
A
into D.
plus
plus
N
N
minus
minus
1
1
into D.
into.
N minus 1 into D.
Very good. Now substitute and get it fast. 7,000,
7,000
5,000
is equal to
plus N minus 1
N
into
minus D.
200. Do it fast. Do it.
N
7,000
AN
minus
is equals to 10.
5,000 equals N minus 1 into 200. Now it is 2,000 upon 200.
200.
N is
Equals
11.
N
N
minus
is equals
1.
to 11.
So 200 cancels
Is equals
0.
to 11.
What it is? Can I
N is
cancel?
equals to 11.
Yeah,
10.
it is 10. 10
Plus
equals
1, 11.
N minus 1. N equals 11. Very good. How many years he need? 11 years. But what they have asked? In which year? In which year? What we have to do? We need to write.
1995 plus 11.
Very good, very good, very good, children. So hence in year
2006.
1995 plus 11, it is 2006.
2006.
2006.
Okay, therefore, in the year 2006, Subba Rao's income reached
Rupees 7,000.
rupees 7,000. Very good. Rishya, why you have turned on off the video?
It's webcam problem.
Very good. Good.
In the first week of the year. Increased our weekly savings.
Webcam problem. Okay.
First week. And increased
Done? Okay. Somebody is reading next question. Good. Any doubt, children, in this? 19?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. So what do you feel? Online classes are good or watching video is good?
Online class.
Online class.
Online class.
Online is
Video.
somebody
Online
saying
class.
Watching
online
video.
is good.
Online class, ma'am.
Watching video, ma'am.
Online class, ma'am.
Online class.
Yeah, watch.
Video.
Online class.
Very few are
Online
saying
class.
very good.
Online class.
Very good. Because even I like that. With some interaction will be there. No?
Go on board.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now 28th one, very easy. Same. Ramkali saved rupees 5 in the first week. First week. What does it say? Which term? Which is that? A, value of A, good. Of a year, and then increased her weekly savings by rupees 1.75. If
D.
nth week, yeah, D, that is
first.
D. If in the nth week her weekly savings become 20 rupees 20.75, find n. Directly they have given to find n. Substitute and do it fast.
Fourth week.
Yeah, do it, children. 28th one. Yeah, I'll give time. Another online classes is going on. I can hear that. Whose sister or brother?
N is equal to 15.
N equals?
15.
10.
Check it, Dushyant. Check it properly.
Equals to 10. Is equals 10.
N equals 10.
Yeah, 10 is the right answer. Check. Dushyant. Good, you are trying good, but check once again. Where you have gone wrong.
N is equals to 10.
Very good. N equals 10. So now, yeah, tell me. What is A? A is rupees 5. D is 1.75. And AN is 20.75. Okay. So now we need to find N. AN equals A plus N minus 1 into 1 into D. AN is 20.75. A is 5 plus N minus 1 into 1.75. Okay. So now 20.75 minus 5 equals N minus 1 into 1.75. Here 15.75. 15.75 equals N minus 1 into 1.75. So now
1.75.
15.75 upon 1.75
divided by 1.575.
So now, both we can cancel the
9.
decimals. After decimals we have 2 digits in both, so directly we can take 1575 upon 175 n minus 1. So now when you simplify, you'll get, simplify it. 1575 upon 5 3s are 15, 5 5s are 5 3s are 5 1s are 5 5s are. 315. And directly you can do. Okay. Again 5 7s are 5, 6 are 13, 5 6 are 30. 5 3 are again 63 upon 7. It is 9. Okay, if you want, you can write this. Directly you can, if you are very perfect, you can do n minus 1 equals 9. So n equals 10. N equals 10. Okay, so here we have completed our second exercise. Only the last exercise is remaining. The two from board they have deleted from 15. You don't have any questions from 15. Last 5 questions are deleted. 6 questions, last 6 questions. From 15 to 28 they have deleted. It's not there for exam. Okay, up to 14 we have. But under 14, we have many questions. We have many problems. Okay? Get ready. Soon we'll conduct one UT of both the exercises. Get ready. Okay? I want
ma'am.
to check your classwork. Please send to the group. Even madam is watching that. And we are entering those who have completed your classworks. Please send it through the WhatsApp group. Those who have completed, complete and send it fast. Okay? Any doubt, children? Take care. Okay, practice today itself. Practice. Soon we'll meet. Okay, take care. Don't go anywhere, don't roam. Concentrate on studies because there will be no change. One important thing I wanted to tell you, because they have reduced the syllabus, and they have given permission for online classes. It means it's very clear that there will be no change in examination. Examination will be there. Some other method they may adopt, but exams will be there. So concentrate and learn daily. Okay? Practice. Okay, children. Take care. Bye. Don't roam. Stay
Bye,
home.
ma'am.
Stay safe. Bye.
Bye,
Bye,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
You, ma'am.
And
Bye,
Bye,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Ma'am, thank you, ma'am.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.